Hey you guys, welcome back. I hope that you are ready for some motivation today. We are going to be doing some indoor and outdoor type of cleaning today. We're going to be tackling my front porch area, getting all of that cleaned up, and then we're also going to move inside and do some cleaning in there. We're going to be cleaning out the fridge, stocking some things, and just doing all of that daily mess. So I'm excited to bring you guys along with me today. There is a lot of motivation in this video, so I hope that you guys are ready. If you need some motivation, you are definitely in the right place today. Maybe put me up on your screen and let's get cleaning together. But if you also want to just take it easy and relax while you're watching my video today, that is awesome too. But before we get into any of the inside cleaning, I wanted to start outside today. I really wanted to get our front porch cleaned up. I usually do this a little bit earlier in the year, but honestly, time got away from me. We were so busy at the end of the school year, and then now we're in summer, and I'm finally getting around to power washing out here, doing a little bit of gardening, and just kind of making our front porch look a little bit nice. So before we can really do any decorating out here though, I do need to power wash. So we are going to be getting all of that pollen off of the front area here, removing some of the existing decor that I had out here, which was really just a front door mat that had been sitting here and rotting away. We actually got this Target mat earlier in the spring, and it got wet and it didn't say welcome anymore, so I really wanted to get a new front door mat for our door. But anyway, we're going to get in here, we're going to power wash. My power washer isn't the best. I wish we had something a little bit more powerful. You guys will see here in a minute when I go to power wash where that mat was. It just didn't get it up. So hopefully in the future we can get a little bit of a stronger power washer, but for right now it's doing the job, and we're just going to get all of that dirt and grime off of the front porch. Another thing I really wanted to get cleaned up today were our rocking chairs. They were looking a little dusty, a little crusty, lots of bird poop on them. So I'm going to go ahead and clean those off while I had the power washer off. And then I'm not really sure why we did this, but I decided to power wash the sidewalk before we did all of the mulching, which was totally counterproductive because now we have a wet mush of mulch, which I didn't want, but it's fine. My husband also added some pea gravel there in between our flower beds and the sidewalk. We had like a gap in there and it just didn't look very nice, so he added some pea gravel in there, and then we're going to replace one of these yellow like flowers that we have in our bed. For whatever reason, this one didn't come back. All the other ones came back besides this one. We couldn't find the exact plant that we had in our flower beds. This is like the closest thing that we could find. We'll see what it looks like in a couple of years. It might not look the same as the other ones, but for right now it's yellow and it matches, so that's all that matters. So we're gonna do that, and then my husband's gonna come in here and just lay some fresh mulch on top of our existing mulch. Now every other year what we do is we take up the old mulch completely and put new one in. But this year was an off year for us, so we just kind of added like a fresh layer on top of the existing mulch. Now I'm going to let things dry out here before I decorate, and it ended up being the next morning where I had to decorate, so we will get back to the front porch area in just a minute. But on this same day, while my husband was doing all of this mulching, I went ahead, oh, excuse me, my voice. I went ahead and ran inside and cleaned out our fridge because I did have a Walmart pickup order the next morning, and I really wanted the fridge to be cleaned out before we brought in all of the new groceries. We just had a mess in here. We had some old food from the weekend. We had friends over, and it was just chaos in here. So I really wanted to take a few moments, get in here. It was mostly just reorganizing. We didn't really get rid of a whole lot. Just things were out of place. So I wanted to take a few moments here, get everything back in working order, wipe things out a little bit. That way, when I brought in the new groceries in the morning, it was just easy to put them away. Now that that is all done, we are going to move on to day 2. I did film this video over the course of like 5 days, I'm going to be honest with you. I just could not get my stuff together to film all in one day, but this is the very next morning. It was like 8:30 a.m. when I was filming. We were actually getting ready to go strawberry picking, so I wanted to get this done before because the sun would hit the front of the house, you know, and then the lighting was bad. So I got these ferns from Lowe's. I do ferns on my front porch every year. I just love the way they look. They feel very like southern and very just summery to me. And then I picked up this wreath and a couple of rugs for the front door area just to kind of freshen things up. Everything is from Target that you are seeing right here in these couple of clips. So I will have everything linked below if you guys are interested in checking them out. I love this rug. I just feel like it is very high-end looking for a very affordable price, and I just love the way it looks combined with that mat. And then of course the little wreath here. At some point I do want to repaint our front door. It's just a little bit dingy, has lots of scratch marks and stuff on it. It just needs a fresh coat of paint, so I'm hoping I can do that at some point before fall. But I love the way it looks out here. I also added a little lantern, and it just looks so clean, so fresh, and perfect for summer. But now we are back home from strawberry picking, and I wanted to quickly share a grocery haul with you guys. I know some of you guys like these and other people don't, so I'm doing like a voiceover quick little run through of everything I got. Some snacks here, chips, veggie straws. I was very excited to try these cinnamon apple straws. I've never seen these before. My kids love them, by the way. We got some stuff for s'mores here, some goldfish. I was running out of our like Ziploc bags and things, so I got a couple of those, some pretzels, white chocolate mocha sauce, some cleaner, and then we have some lettuce and green beans, ribs. We're gonna do baked ribs in the oven one night this week. We have some tomatoes for BLTs, mac and cheese, sausage, garlic bread. We're doing chicken Alfredo one night. I needed more stain remover spray. This is the best stuff ever, by the way. Some dish soap, some cream cheese. We got some tea. I like to make sweet tea every now and then. Pretzel sticks, Parmesan for the Alfredo, and then some lunch meat, and then of course some more stuff for s'mores. We are big s'mores people in the summer. We love to do s'mores. We have like that little fire table, so I always make sure to have stuff stacked up for that, and then some bread and muffins and milk. It wasn't a lot. It was just a quick little like refresh type of grocery haul for us. I think I spent, I don't know, like $140. It wasn't a lot. I mean, that is a lot, but not a lot for the economy that we're in right now. But now we are on day 3, day 4, I don't really know. And we're going to tackle the bedroom here. I really wanted to change out our sheets. It was just time. It was time. We've been meddling in our sheets for a couple of weeks now, so I really wanted to get this switched out. I'm usually pretty good about switching the sheets out every week. It had been about 2 weeks at this point, so I wanted to go ahead and get that done. And then there was just some like miscellaneous things that needed to get put away. I had like a random pile of laundry to put away, and you'll see my little helper here. She is always with me in my cleaning videos here lately, so if you see little hands in the corner, it's just my 1-year-old baby girl. She's 15 months old, and she is my little leech, and I love her so much. She's definitely always by mommy's side, so you guys will be seeing her in my future cleaning videos just because that's really the only way that I can get anything done these days. We're going to finish off in here by vacuuming. I'm actually using my Dyson on this day. You guys know I usually use my like tried and true Walmart Bissell vacuum that's like 50 bucks. But I was in the mood to use my Dyson today, switch it up, give you guys a little bit of a different vacuuming experience here on my channel. I do love this vacuum very much. We use it all the time. I very rarely use it upstairs though, but again, I was just feeling it on this day. But once I'm done in our bedroom, I'm actually going to move downstairs. Again, this is a different day. I'm telling you guys, I could not get my ish together this week, and my brain has been a scrambling mess. Summer has been pure chaos so far. We've been on summer break since May 26th or something like that, whatever that Friday was. And so it's been about a week and a half, and it's just been absolute chaos. So all of you mamas that got kids home for the summer, I really feel for you. It's been hard trying to figure out everything and then trying to stay on top of cleaning. Don't even get me started with that. But we are going to start some laundry. I need to get some laundry switched over, some towels folded, all of that good stuff. And then we will move on to some cleaning in my kitchen. I'm going to start out by doing some dishes. I feel like I can't do any more cleaning in my kitchen until the dishes are done. I just feel like once that's done, it kind of motivates me to keep going, and I kind of just find that motivation along the way. So we're going to get these dishes done, and then we're going to wipe down some counters. I also really needed to wipe down all of my stainless steel, and I'm actually using the Method Grapefruit Cleaner to do this. I haven't used this cleaner in so long, and it's very nostalgic for me. When I first started my cleaning channel back in 2018, I was 9 months pregnant. This is what I use, is what I feel like a lot of cleaning YouTubers used, was a lot of Method products. And you guys saw I was using the Method dish soap, and now I'm using the Method multi-purpose cleaner, and it just reminds me of those like early days of motherhood for me. We had just moved in this house, and I don't know, it's just like, it was one of those like nostalgic scents to me. That's what it reminded me of, was summer, moving in here. I was 9 months pregnant. I was nesting, getting things ready for Savannah. She's now 5, almost 5, which is insane. But yeah, it just kind of like brought back those memories to me. So it's been really fun cleaning with the Method products. And I actually used the wood cleaner on my wood table too. And I don't know, all of the smells are just like making me feel nostalgic over here. Now that I'm done wiping everything down, I'm just going to use my vacuum mop, or no, just kidding. It was nap time, so I couldn't use that on this day. I'm just sweeping really quickly, and then I'm actually going to end this video. I know it's a little bit shorter, you guys. I just was so all over the place this week. I thought I had a lot more footage than I actually did, so that was really disappointing. But if you guys don't know, I am on TikTok as well. I do a lot of cleaning and like organizing and unboxing type of videos over on TikTok. So if you want to follow me on there, I'll leave my TikTok handle here on the screen. You'll see a lot more content from me over there, and I am going to try to post shorts on YouTube a lot more often for you guys as well, so you still have that to watch too. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today and for being here and supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.